Welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, by watching this thumbnail, you can understand that I am going to tell you about solar system. And I tell you one thing, that if you watch this video till the end, then you can easily attend all the question in the competitive exams which comes from the solar system. Then without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, we have to understand what is solar system. Planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors, comets which are moving around the sun is called solar system. I repeat once again, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors, comets which are moving around the sun is called solar system. Now who discovered the solar system? Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus discovered the solar system. And in which year? In 1532. Got it? Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus discovered the solar system in 1532. On more things, German astronomer, mathematician and astrologer Johannes Kepler gave the laws of planetary motion. Who gave the laws of planetary motion? Then the answer will be Johannes Kepler gave the laws of planetary motion. Got it? Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And for your kind information, before 2006, our solar system had 9 planets. But after 2006, Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. It's very important that which planet is called as a dwarf planet. Then the answer will be Pluto. Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. Now these 8 planets have been divided into 3 groups: terrestrial planets or rocky planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars; gas giant planets, Jupiter and Saturn; and ice giant planets, Uranus and Neptune. Now I will tell you important points about the sun. The sun is the center of our solar system. In many competitive exams it comes that what is the center of our solar system? Then the answer will be the sun. The sun is the center of our solar system. Its size is 13 lakh times as that of the earth. Yes friends, sun size is 13 lakh times as that of the earth. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. The sun is the main source of all energy on earth. It's very important that which is the main source of all energy on earth. Then the answer will be the sun. The sun is composed of 71% hydrogen, 26.5% helium and 2.5% other gases. Then hydrogen and helium are the main gases present in the sun. In competitive exams it comes that what are the main gases present in the sun? Then the answer will be hydrogen and helium. Surface temperature of the sun is approximately 5505 degrees Celsius, and the temperature at the center is around 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees Celsius. Can you imagine it? The temperature at the center of the sun is around 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees Celsius or 15 million degrees Celsius. The sun is about 150 million or 15 crore kilometers away from the earth. The next point about the sun is very important. Light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth from the sun. In various competitive exams it comes up that how long does it take sunlight to reach the earth? Then the answer will be 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Got it? Now I will discuss each and every planet one by one in details. Then let's start with Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It does not have any satellites, as the moon is a satellite of the earth, but Mercury has no satellite. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it is the second hottest planet after Venus in our solar system. Mercury is the second densest planet after Earth. There is no water on this planet. Mercury planet has no gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. That's why there is no existence of life on this planet. Mercury revolves around the sun very quickly than the earth. That's why 1 year on Mercury takes approximately 88 earth days, while earth takes 365 days to orbit the sun once. But Mercury rotates around its axis very slowly than the earth. Because of it, Mercury is much longer than a day on earth. 1 day on Mercury is 58.646 earth days or 1407 hours, 30 minutes and 14 seconds long, while a day on earth is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds long. Now Venus. Venus is the nearest planet to the Earth and second in distance from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system, also the brightest planet. Yes friends, Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system, also the brightest planet. Venus is also known as the evening star as well as morning star. Venus in size and mass just like the Earth. Therefore, Venus is also known as the Earth's twin or Earth's sister. It's very important. Then hottest planets, brightest planets, evening star, morning star, Earth's twin or Earth's sister. All very important points here about the Venus. Venus spins or rotates clockwise or in the opposite direction on its axis, unlike the other planets in our solar system except Uranus. Venus revolves around the Sun from east to west. Therefore, in this planet, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. And for your kind information, not only Venus, Uranus is the another planet of our solar system which also rotates clockwise on its axis and revolves around the Sun from east to west. That's why both on this planet, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. There is no water on Venus. Because of insufficient oxygen, life doesn't exist on this planet. Earth. Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet due to the presence of huge amount of water on it. This planet has a large quantity of oxygen for which life exists on this planet. Moon is the only satellite of this planet. Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets or terrestrial planets. And I think you know the 4 terrestrial planets because I have described in this video before. The 4 terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And among them, Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets or terrestrial planets. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. Earth takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the Sun. Earth revolves around the Sun from west to east. Therefore, here on this planet, Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Earth is made of rocks and stuff. Mars. Mars is called as red planet. The soil of this planet contains huge amount of iron oxide. Because of it, the color of this planet is orange reddish. Phobos and Deimos are 2 satellites or moons of Mars. Deimos is the smallest satellite of our solar system. Mars revolves around the Sun from west to east. That's why Sun rises in the east and sets in the west on this planet. Mars takes 687 Earth days to revolve around the Sun and 24 hours 37 minutes to rotate or spin on its axis. Then 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days and 1 day is 24 hours 37 minutes long. The planet has a thin layer of atmosphere with nitrogen and argon gas. The tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is 21 km high and 600 km in diameter, is situated on this Mars planet. And can you imagine it? It is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. There are signs of liquid water in the form of ice on Mars. Thus, life can exist on this planet. Mars takes its name from the Roman god of war. Now I will tell you about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Yes friends, Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system and it's very important. In various competitive or job exams, it comes many times. Jupiter is also known as winter planet because its average temperature is very low, minus 148 degrees Celsius. Jupiter has approximately 67 known satellites and Ganymede, satellite of Jupiter, is the largest satellite in the solar system. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It rotates on its axis in just 10 hours. But Jupiter takes 12 years to revolve around the Sun. So where 1 day in Jupiter is just 10 hours, there 1 year is 12 Earth years long. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system after Jupiter. Titan is the largest satellite of Saturn and second largest satellite in the solar system after Ganymede, which is the satellite of Jupiter. Saturn is the only ring planet in the solar system, and these rings are made up with dust, rock and ice. Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei first discovered this Saturn planet with a telescope in 1610. Can you imagine it? Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas like helium, which is used in balloons. That's why we cannot stand on Saturn. Saturn revolves around the Sun very slowly. A year on Saturn is more than 29 Earth years long. But Saturn spins on its axis very fast. A day on Saturn is just 10 hours and 42 minutes long. And for your kind information, the day Saturday was named after this planet Saturn. Uranus is the third biggest planet of our solar system after Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is about 4 times the size of the Earth. Yes friends, Uranus is just 4 times the size of the Earth. This planet appears greenish in color because of methane gas present in its atmosphere. Uranus is the 7th planet in distance from the Sun. Uranus was discovered by Sir William Herschel in 1781. Uranus rotates or spins from east to west on its axis, which is opposite to the other planets except Venus. Therefore, on this planet, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Uranus takes time to revolve around the Sun, 84th Earth years long, but this planet spins on its axis very fast. Uranus completes its rotation on its axis within 17 hours and 14 minutes. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the 8th planet in distance from the Sun. Neptune in size, mass, composition and rotation is very similar to Uranus. Therefore, Uranus and Neptune called twin planets. It is very important. Neptune is blue in color. This planet contains sufficient methane gas. The temperature on the surface of this planet is very low, minus 200 degrees Celsius. Neptune revolves around the Sun very slowly. That's why 1 year on Neptune is approximately 165 years long. Can you imagine it? 165 years long, 1 year on Neptune. But it rotates on its axis very fast. As a result, 1 day on Neptune is 16 hours and 6 minutes long. So friends, I hope you have